3. Learning disability in writing, dysgraphia. Learning disability in writing can involve the physical act of writing or the mental activity of comprehending and synthesizing information. Basic writing disorder refers to physical difficulty forming words and letters. A specific learning disability that affects a person's handwriting ability and fine motor skills. Problems may include illegible handwriting, inconsistent spacing, poor spatial planning on paper, poor spelling, and difficult composing writing as well as thinking and writing at the same time. Signs and symptoms of dysgraphia. First, over neatness and consistency of writing. Second, accurately copying letters and words. 3. Spelling consistency. 4. Writing organization and coherence. Five, may have illegible printing and coercive writing despite appropriate time and attention given the task. 6. Shows inconsistencies, mixtures of print and cohesive upper and lower case or irregular sizes, shapes or slant of letters. Seven, has unfinished words or letters, omitted words. 8. Inconsistent spacing between words and letters. 9. Exhibits strange wrist, body or paper position. Has difficulty pre-visualizing letter formation. Copying or writing is slow. Shows poor spatial planning on paper. 11. Has cramped or unusual grip, may complain of sore hand. 12. Has great difficulty thinking and writing at the same time, taking notes, creative writing. Strategies to overcome dysgraphia. First strategy, suggest use of word processor. Second, use oral exams. 3. Allow use of tape recorder for lectures. 4. Allow the use of a note taker. 5. Provide notes or outlines to reduce the amount of writing required. 6. Reduce copying aspects of work. Pre-printed math problems. 7. Allow use of wide rule paper and graph paper. 8. Suggest use of pencil grips or specially designed writing aids. 9. Provide alternatives to written assignments. Video tapped reports, audio tapped reports. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.